today is our debate class. So I'm in the favor of money because I strongly believe that money is a very important things in your life. Without money, you can't achieve anything in your life. Why are you studying only for success life? Why do you want to success in your life only for money?
Why are you earning money? Because of being happy in your life.
Yes.
Is important than happiness.
Without money, how can you survive your life happily?
Without happiness, you can survive.
If you have money, you can fulfill your basic needs. If you fulfill your basic needs, so you can also survive your life easily.
So there are many people they have a lot of money, but they are not happy. So what you
How
think?
can you say that?
Yes, I observe and I saw in bus they are not happy. A lot of money.
Money is a very important thing nowadays, as well as happiness is very important. But firstly, I strongly believe that money is very important. Without money, you can't do anything. Without money, you can't get knowledge. Without money, you can't take 2 meals of a day.
Earning much money. Once you got married, your husband will not. Your husband, suppose that will not love you. How will you manage? Because you have much money. You will not getting love. They are beating you always, and they are looking inside another girls. And how will you manage?
It's a problem of behavior, mentality. It's not problem of money.
How will you manage? You have much money. Money is everything, as you told me. Okay, now how it will be possible before getting married? How will aware about your husband?
Sorry, I don't have no knowledge about husband.
Is everything okay?
Yes.
So can you purchase happiness by money?
Sometimes I purchase happiness from money.
Good health from money.
I don't purchase good health for money, but
So how can you say that money
one
is
minute
everything?
late I purchase good health care from money.
Lots of money, and you can't get happy.
How can you say that if I have a lot of money I don't happy?
Money and you have a tension. My money has been stolen and like that.
A person never satisfied, never happy with any kind of thing.
You have a tension. My money is stolen like that.
Always stress, anxiety. You can't say only with money you have stress, you have tension. Can't say a person who have no money, they always in depression.
The rich person of the world, Elon Musk, said in his podcast that he is in depression and he suffers from loneliness. He is the very richest person in the world. He can buy anything. But why he is depressed and loneliness, suffering from loneliness? He can buy anything, so he could not suffer from anything, loneliness or depression. But he is suffering.
कोई another personal problem, family issue, like this issue.
But if so that he could clear that way out the problems and anything. But without money.
Firstly, tell me, if you don't have money, how get knowledge? Why are you studying? Why are you studying? Only for success life? Why do you want to success in your life only for money?
Not everyone for earning money study and get knowledge. Even many more labor people,
Yes.
he have no knowledge, but he have earn money.
Yes.
So and fulfill life normally.
Yes.
In the world, anyone and every person earn money,
Yes.
not more than much money. The topic is much money, more money can buy real
More-
happiness.
Is money more important than happiness?
And the only richest person can buy happiness, not everyone. So this is not your point. Only get knowledge and the why I am studying for the getting earning money. Not
Earning
everyone,
money.
not everyone, because everyone has some labor work. So
Can you explain what many more things?
okay, many more people selling vegetables. Many more people clean the gutters. Clean the gutters. Many more break the stones. They have no knowledge, but still working.
Why they do this kind of work? Only for money, only for surviving your family.
Okay, so
If they don't earn money, their family don't happy.
okay, India, many more the forest areas. Okay, you know.
Yes.
And the many Adivasis people and jungly people, forestry areas people living with the happiness. He doesn't need to earn money. This type of people.
I already said money is important, but as well as happiness is very important.
No, stick your one point. Stick one point, not change the take turn.
So I think we are reaching the every second and every year ahead of time. So if you want to fulfill your need, so without money, how can you fulfill your needs? I think it can't be happen. It can't be possible. So this is my point, and I want to say one more thing. If a person want to get a good job and become a good person, so firstly he go to school and like colleges. So he take the knowledge in the basis of money right now in this generation. If you doesn't give the fee and doesn't give the like scholarship, if you can't able to pay the fee, so you are not able to take the knowledge and education. So that things, with the help of that things, you can see the value of money. You can't survive.
Education, but you should have read about lots of foundation in Mount Banjan like MM Azmi, and there is lots of foundation like academy. If you are a good person, you are good in study, lots of people are ready to spend on you for further study without any problem. What do you think about this?
You are saying that if I am a good in I'm a very good in like education. I always do the top in my class, and I always like I have a lot of knowledge. So I got the scholarship, and I can take the knowledge and education free. So but I am getting the knowledge. So also that teacher who are teaching me, also he need to the money to feed their family. Also I am learning in that college, in that
Yeah,
you
I
are
told
saying
you
that-
already. I told you already. There is many charity foundation like you can get money if you are.
So how they run that
serious.
charities with the basis of money?
No, I'm asking to you.
How
As
come-
you told about education, you will not get education if you have no money. I'm talking about on the point of education. You will get educated if you have no money. If you are good in study, lots of people will spend on you.
So that things
They will
only
fulfill
I
for
think
money.
you are saying that if I am very good in education, so I can get a scholarship, and I can
No, without
get-
I'm not
without
asking about scholarship. I'm
without
not asking
scholarship.
about. I'm not talking about scholarship, bro.
So I think with the free of cost education, you can't get that type of education. If you want to go take higher education, like if you want to become a scientist and you want to become engineer, so you have to spend a lot of money. You can't you can't achieve that type of jobs without money. You have to pay.
No. Without paying, you can get easily.
How many person become the engineer without
Oh, lots
paying?
of person,
Can you
lots
give
of
me
person, because
examples?
you can see lots of Molvis, Hafiz. If you go back a year, lots of students like
How many will be-
preparing of NEET, and they got selected in NEET. A charity was funding for them by money. Right now they are preparing in MBBS right now.
But I
They
want
had
to
no
clear.
money that time.
I want to clear that the
Okay.
percentage is very minimum. Point. If you see the percentage in the point percentage, not in
Yeah, it is
the
minimum, 1%
also.
Yeah, I know. Is it minimum? But you cannot say is it impossible.
The
without
whole
money.
world run in the basis of money.
Yeah, if you talk about majority, I can understand your point. But
So the world run with the help of majority, not the
yeah, I
minority.
know. But I'm asking about the education. And as you told me, you cannot get educated like without money. You have no money, you can't get education. And that's why I'm saying like that.
Okay, maybe
That was
you,
my point.
okay, maybe you can get the education, because education is a part of wisdom, not the part of money. You are getting the education is the improve your knowledge, and because
I am Muhammad Fayem. Today is debate class. I am in the favor of money. Money is a very powerful thing in the nowadays, and we can buy the and purchase the anything easily. You have a money, so you have a respect. And I want to say something. And nobody help in the hour of the needs, because you have no money. Only peoples are talking with rich persons.
If I am living in a happy life, could I not talk with a rich person?
You didn't understand my questions. I said the peoples have money, so rich person talk with him.
It's not good for humanity. We can change. What did you think
How can
about
you
it?
say like this? Nowadays the money is a very powerful thing, and so you are not a man. If my health is good, so I will earn money. But
So how you can say that money is important than happiness?
Nowadays, money is very important. You don't know.
So,
If you are a boy, so you can know what is the money.
but without happiness, you can't survive with money.
According to you, you are saying that money is everything. If you have a lot of money, but no one love you, no one respect you, you have no.
But I love
you, you have no any loyalty. So what you will do that money?
I love the money. I love the money.
Okay, so for
I
you,
can-
for you, money is everything.
Yes, money is
But
everything.
but you are living in the world. Their love, respect, and loyalty matters also. For money, you can leave your father.
Father.
Yes.
So my
For
my father have a money.
if your father doesn't have money, so that means he is not your father.
No, my father is my father.